What's going on, guys? It's Mags here, coming at y'all with a market review of September 10th, 2024. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into this. As you can see, it was another 2 L's today. Um, I'm just not in sync with the market. I did want to see some bullish price action coming in. I know we were in this daily, but it's just the way we inverted this gap and pushed off of this gap. I was expecting us to at least go to this high, which we probably will get there today, but it was just a little laggy this morning, on NQ at least, as y'all could see right here. So once we came into this gap, I wanted to see like a lower time frame market maker buy model off of this gap, this green box here. And at first, at this move, I thought it was a good trade, but it looks like I was impulsive looking at it now after the fact. So I saw this swing high get taken with displacement, but the candle did fall into this gap and didn't inverse it, barely, which I thought was alright, cause the way we displaced this swing high here after taking liquidity here into the gap as well. We fell into the gap, went up, swept liquidity in the gap, and then pushed away again. But I bought here, and when I bought, I regret buying because we did not displace we didn't inverse it with power. That's basically what I'm trying to say here. This candle did not push up and inverse it as ideally you would want it, in my opinion, you would want it to. So I did get out early here. My stop was down here, but I got out early, and if you look, my stop never got taken. But my final target never got hit, so to rate this trade after the fact, I'd say I just have to be more patient and just wait for what the market's trying to tell me. Because here it was just trying to rush it. Kind of saw an entry model and just dove in. So that's never good. And I actually got out early, so that was good before it fully took me out. But as you can see here, I had re-entered because we did inverse this gap right here. So when we inversed it, I saw that as an opportunity to get in off of this gap. I set a limit order and it filled it, and we did get a good amount of profit. So from here, it's about 199 ticks. It looks like 199 ticks, which is almost 50 points we had right here. This high would have been 50 points, but I was trying to get to this fair value gap, which is the 15-minute fair value gap right here, at least. But as you can see, price was very choppy this morning, but nonetheless, it was on me. I did what I could have done is shorted the market where I wanted to short it, and maybe would have came out with some profits, but it was just a very choppy morning. Nonetheless, my analysis wasn't on point today as well. I would have taken this, on a regular day off of the gap, displacement, fill this gap, and go. But it was just a choppy day. This daily gap was probably resisting us down. The daily fair value gap here. Oh my. This daily fair value gap right here is probably what's holding price down. But yeah, I mean, other than that, that's pretty much it for today's two trades. I just got chopped up in here. Which the right thing would have been was maybe to wait for this wick before even taking a trade and getting into the discount of the morning session. So let's see how that's playing out right now. I mean, it's still very choppy, very very choppy price action. So that's one thing. We do have an SMT here, but I mean ES was just trending down when NQ wasn't. So I mean ES was the cleaner asset class today with the drop down. Super clean actually. Right here would have been entry. And that's way more than 2R putting your stops up here. I mean, that's a crazy drop here. We're talking points, points, and points. For ES especially. Probably would have just wanted this 2R. Or something clean down here. But it does look like ES wants to finish this market maker sell. Probably gonna range into this gap, but yeah. Other than that, guys, that will be it for today. Tomorrow we will come and see CPI, see what it shows us. Hopefully we don't make these mistakes. I will journal and remind myself that I do not need to be trading, that I need to wait for the perfect shot, or almost the perfect shot. But yeah, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.